These are the ingredients for pineapple curry. Pause to see what you'll need. I'm using trimmed prawns and spare ribs. This is the exciting part where we blend all our ingredients into a paste. Add oil to a pan, then add your paste. Stir fry your blended ingredients till the oil splits. Then add your spare ribs. Give it a good mix till the pork is well coated, then add hot water to cover the bones. Here you can add the pineapple with the syrup. Mix it and let it simmer. Be generous with salt and add more sugar. I like my curries spicy, so I've slit some chili patties and thrown them in. Lastly, add your prawns. This is an easy dish, but the balance of sweetness and saltiness has to be just right. Now dish out a fair share of pork, prawns and pineapple and serve with white rice. Enjoy!